Well, let's talk about some good news here, guys, because I love to bring you the good news. It's coming out of the state of Arkansas. I got a full breakdown coming for you guys. Stick with me first. Do me a big favor if you can. Give this video a like. Let's try to get the likes way up here on this video if we can. Share this video across all your platforms, guys. Help me beat the YouTube algorithms because I'm going to be talking about sensitive information here. They're not going to give this video a chance, guys. They're going to try to bury it as far down as they can. So please help me out by giving this a share out there. Subscribe if you're brand new. And if you guys enjoy my daily video content, would you consider sponsoring my ministry for $5 a month or more? You could do so by going over to patreon.com/conservative truth. You could follow the pretty link in the description down there. Takes you right to it. You sign up and bam, you got access to all my podcasts. The bonus content where I break down more sensitive information. I could do it more in long form. We get around the YouTube censors there. They can't tell us what to do over there, guys. I got great information over there you do not want to miss. It is great content. I mean, YouTube, guys, I can't do it over here because they're demonetizing my videos left and right already as it is. They're not getting you guys the alerts for when I post the new content. You guys tell me all the time. You rarely ever get an alert anymore, even if you have the thing selected to get all notifications. I'm just a blind fat guy here, guys, at the end of the day, but YouTube sees me as some kind of a threat. I'm just trying to bring you guys the news and events of what's taken place here in the last days. So thank you so much for all of your support. With the Patreon, let's talk about Arkansas. An appeals court ruling that abortions will in fact stay banned in the state of Arkansas as this whole My Sharona thing is going on until it clears up. Now, originally, when this order first went into effect back in early April, as we see this in most cases, lawsuits start coming through. The ACLU getting involved, saying that what Arkansas was doing was unconstitutional, banning abortions, due to the medical emergency that was going on. They needed to free up, PPE equipment, so on and so forth. We know that many of these clinics were shut down, but of course, the lawsuit goes into effect. They're okay with closing the churches down, though. The churches are too dangerous. We can't leave those open. We got to close those. But please, by all means, leave your abortion centers open. That's perfectly fine because it's about protecting women's health, right? It's essential, life essential service here. It's ridiculous, okay? Anyway, lawsuit takes place here, goes to a federal judge on April 14th, who, by the way, was appointed by President Obama. I'm just throwing that out there. You guys do with that what you will. I'm just throwing that out there. She struck down the measure, said it was unconstitutional, and said that abortion should be able to continue on in the state. Then we have the appeals court. They get involved, the 8th Circuit. The judge there, who was appointed by President George W. Bush. Again, I'm just throwing that out there here. Bobby E. Shepard is his name. He ruled just the other day that the federal judge got it wrong. And in fact, the abortion ban will remain in effect until the end of this entire medical situation, or I don't know how long that's going to be. Now, it's not a complete ban. The medical, abortions, are still going to be allowed up to 10 weeks, according, to law in Arkansas, as it states right now. But no one's going to be able to go down there and get an actual procedure done in a clinic unless the life of the mother is in jeopardy. That would be the only exception to this. So I thought this was a great ruling, and I started thinking about this, and I know so many states that have enacted similar measures about the abortion ban, like in Ohio and Texas. Once this whole thing is over, and it will end, guys, trust me, it is going to end. I don't know when, but it will end. I think it's going to really force a conversation that's going to go up to the Supreme Court to revisit Roe v. Wade, okay? If there's anything about this whole lockdown situation that I know God is happy about, it's the fact that many babies' lives are being saved. And that is huge because had this not been going on right now, who knows how many more of the innocent would have been led to the slaughter, basically. And maybe also in the midst of this too, those women who are pregnant, who are thinking about going in and having the procedure done, maybe they're going to rethink now. Maybe it'll give God an opportunity to speak to them and to get them to change their mind and get them to realize you want to keep this life that you're carrying right now. These are precious little lives, okay? And what we're doing to them, what we've been doing to them ever since 1973 has been absolutely atrocious. It's sad what's taking place here. So anyway, that's just my little opinion on that. You guys can let me know what you think in the comments section. I'll put some more information in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. I'll be back with more. You guys take care. Please be safe out there. God bless each and every single one of you. And I'll talk with you soon.